Hey guys, today we are playing motorcycle, whatever this thing is called. I really don't know. So today we are playing this game and I have no idea what is happening. What do I do? Hello? What do I do? What the heck do I do? So I guess I buy motorcycle. I think I'm gonna write this. I cannot write it. It's so confusing. Yeah. Okay, I may want to do this upside. So, I have no idea how to play this game. So I guess I just gonna drive. I am really confused. How do you get gears in this game? So I'm just gonna keep riding. Oh guys, you see, my gears are going up when I'm driving a motorbike. I'm just staring at it and just like, what is happening?
Enough of recording, come downstairs. I told you to stop recording, right? You record, nothing will happen.
So I'm just gonna keep driving until like I hit 1,000 some point. I'm just going at top speed. I'm just going at top speed, just don't know when to stop. Oh, it crashed.
I need to look after Ira.
Sorry. So now I'm going to test out this bike. So now, looks like I can ride this freaking thing. I think I'll go. Okay. Cut in here, and now I'm just going to stay in my lane. So guys, I'm going to be recording this. This is the first video of this. So it may be some time till I record the next one because I am quite busy. So this is how fast I can go. I died again. I swear. It's just nice, but I just want to cut to this name. And now there are gonna be no cars. Sorry, but I might have to cut again. Cut from this car. Just go in this. We're going at. What's about top speed? I'm not holding the keyboard. I'm just gonna die. Okay. So what do I do here? Okay, so just like. So let's see how fast we can go, but we are using this time. Yeah, only speed is this. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, this is just a nice speed. Because there are no cars in this, I can just drive however fast I want. Portable garage. Okay, good to know. Wow, I am driving very fast and so far I have not crashed. Crash into the sidewalls. So I guess I'm just gonna keep doing this. So right now we're at top speed and I am very scared I'm going to crash. Let's look at how fast I'm going. You can see, so I'm going at 90 miles per hour and I'm going to have to do a 6 clutched. Yeah, I am not known for doing clutch. I can hear my sister screaming like, "Ah!" Oh my gosh. That was amazing. I'm just going to go nicely in front of you. Thank you. So now I'm just gonna keep on driving, but I'm just not getting anything for record. So I'm guessing I have to go higher speed. So fish, I think I just broke it. And respawn it. Come on, let's go! Let's cut into this lane. And just see if you can keep it going like this.